What's up guys? Today we're gonna go through and show you how to install our new 5th gen 4Runner camera relocation kit.
First step is to take your pry tool, pop that out, drop it, and then grab the 10 mil. And this is the only bolt you'll have to undo. Step 2, get in here with your pry tool and pop these clips. Try to pop them away from the hook part of it. All right, and just let this hang. It's hanging on the hook of the windowsill. And then you just disconnect the lights at the plug. There's two of them on each, or one of them on each side, two of them total. Once all the clips are free, you just push up and push forward towards the vehicle. Once you're here, you need to remove this gray bracket. The gray bracket is retained by two white clips, so don't worry about supporting it as you unbolt it. It won't drop on you. So there's two ways of doing it. You could either peel the weather stripping back. It's like a gooey tar stuff. Or you could just make a slit in it and access your camera that way. All right, so you'll want to remove this grommet. And once you remove the grommet, we're gonna feed this wire through and pass the window track. And once we get it to where we need it, we'll pull it tight and zip tie it. All right, and so once it's looped around the window track, you want to pull it tight on this end and make sure that there's no slack, and then zip tie it inside to the other wire harness that's located in here. Okay, so you might need to remove the speaker panel to gain access to the last zip tie point, which is right here. You can see the wire harness and the other wire harness that you should be zip tying to. Once you have it hooked back in, just make sure that the wire is sticking out and underneath that piece of foam, and then just remember to plug in your cargo lights. All right, now you just want to take these little sticky squares, space them out. So once you install this last little sticky, pull the weather stripping out and undo this bolt. Take your pry tool and just gently pry out, and this will feed directly to the undercarriage. Make sure you go underneath the weather stripping and you basically just feed it down. All right, so once you have it all taut, you basically want to have the corrugation part underneath the bolt. There's a little pocket under there for the weather stripping to fall back into place. On the camera side of the wire harness, you have this white and blue wire. One is for the lines in the camera, and then one is to reverse the image. We won't need them, so we're just gonna tape over it just to protect those. So you'll first wanna put the regular washer over, then the split washer, Slide it all down. And then the split nut. And because it's a split nut, it only has to really be finger tight. Slide it up and over. As long as it's underneath the glide plate, you'll be fine. All right, cool. So now that you're down here, all you gotta do, plug the two harnesses together, wrap up all the access, and zip tie it in a safe location. Just make sure that it's away from the exhaust, and you're good. All right, and now let's check our work.